Hey, what's going on, guys? As you know, I probably, from hearing me talk anyways, y'all probably know that I'm in the heart of the Appalachian Mountains. It's Appalachian and not Appalachian, so get it right. That's just how it is. But anyways, if you don't know, the heart where I'm from, coal is king. Well, at least it used to be. And where I'm standing right here was a huge coal camp. There was houses all along this hillside right here. I mean, there's bunches and bunches of houses. And I'm actually scoping out somewhere. I'm trying to figure out where this stuff was. I've looked at old maps and it all, like, there was a bunch here. There was a bunch here behind me, right, well, behind me now. But now this is a sediment pond. And here's a picture of what was here. And it's just, man, the history in my area, the more I dig, the more I love it. It just, I don't know. But I'm going to try to find a way into here and see what we can find. If I can find somewhere safe to park my wife's car anyways. But I'm hoping to find some script. I'm probably not going to find silver. I'm not going to find nothing valuable, I'm sure. Because, man, coal miners was poor. They really was. I mean, the coal operators, man, they made millions. But as far as the miners go, a lot of them didn't have a whole lot of money. And it just, I mean, it is what it is. But see if we can find us somewhere in here and see if we can find us something. I got the old Vanquish out. The coil's a little smaller on this thing. So maybe I can get around through some of this stuff. Got the root slayer to chop down some roots. But man, I hope we can find something good. There's a clearing right there. Let's search it. Hope I don't get freaking snake bit. Damn it, the briars, boys. Oh God. Ow, get off of me. Dude, I'm getting attacked. All the things we do to go metal detecting. All right, here's a clearing. Holy crap, that was rough there, guys. But I am freaking stoked about this. I've been putting off coming down here for a long time. Ooh, there's a 19 right off the bat. Dude, that is awesome. And it's gravel. I wonder what it is. Damn, that thing's going crazy. What do we got? What is that? Oh, it's an old piece of tin. We're headed in the right direction, people. Yes. I'm sure it's going to be lots and lots of trash here. Like right there is it's like a piece of an old car or something. Yeah, piece of trim off of an old car. Huh. That's hitting pretty high, ain't it? Dude, this is crazy. It's so awesome. Probably find lots of beer cans people threw out over the years. Like this one. Oh, it's an old Pepsi can, I think. Nope, it's an old Pabst Blue Ribbon can. Man, I'm so excited I didn't even put my gloves back on. Didn't even put them on. It's just amazing how many houses was right here, man. But it's been bulldozed down and redone, and it's just, oh, it's kind of sad, but that's how it works, though, you know. Probably another piece of can. What was that? Piece of tin. Look. Ha. Old piece of brick. We are in the right place, ain't we? Probably another piece of tin. 19. Man, I'd love to find an old coin, or I'd really like to find an old piece of script. That would be so cool. If you guys don't know what script is, the mines, it's kind of like the coal companies had their own coins, their own money, and they would front the money to the employees. And they could go to the company store and actually, oh, there's a little nail. Go to the company store and use that script to pay for flour or whatever they was needing. But man, this is cool. There's a lot of these places around here. There's actually some that still has the old houses there. I might try to get over to it one day. Okay, there's something small. Oh, this is cool, guys. Look, there's an old piece of glass. Pick that up. Okay, I got it right here somewhere. Oh, pull tab. Ha! Never been so happy in my life to see a pull tab. Heck yeah, man. But my grandpa used to tell me stories about this place. From what he told me, it was a wild and crazy time. Man, this freaking, might have to wait till, hey look, there's a post. Another 20. me turn this thing up so I can hear it a little better. Oh man, this is so awesome. What do we have? Root Slayer. Get out here. All right, let's see what we got. What is this? Oh, dude, look. How cool is that? Oh, grooming aid. It's like hair stuff, like hair oil. Man, if you guys like have ever seen this or anything, leave me a comment and let me know. That's freaking cool, man. I wonder how old this is. I'll have to do some searching, but you guys know how old that is, let me know. That is freaking sweet. I love this. All right, let's see what this is. Right. Oh, it's in here. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a piece of an old can. But, oh man, this is crazy. It's kind of an eerie feeling down here, though. Like I feel like somebody's watching me. It's kind of creepy. Kind of creepy. Oh, thought somebody was whistling at me, but it was a bird. But dude, it's kind of sad, like everybody's livelihood just got like ripped apart, you know what I mean? They're like, hey, we're shutting the mines down, good luck. There's a nail. But yeah, dude, it's kind of like, oh, I don't know. The coal mining stuff around here, it made some people rich, and man, it killed a lot of people. Oh, no way, guys. I found an old car. Let's see if we can find us one more target, guys, and I'm gonna call it a day. I think I knocked it out right here. Ow, that briar's hitting me right in the nuts. Ow. What do we got? Another piece of pottery. What's that? Oh, it's an old wheel. I don't have any use for an old wheel. If y'all want to see more of this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. I'll try to do a little more, a little better, a little more hunting. But I'm about to drop you. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of this, let me know and I'll do a whole series on this little place right here. This was just a taste. But anyways, thank y'all, and I'll catch y'all next time, all right?